Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's take a look and see if we can find day 5 in our box. Lots of little envelopes. So here's 8, 9, no, 20. I'm assuming that's a 6. Oh, I should look on here. Oh, day 5 right here. Oh, I know what these are. I just finished hanging up my mini quilts on the walls. I didn't show off the box, so let's take a look at the cute box first. Oh, let's see how it goes. Oh, now sewing at the Hamilton Theater. That's adorable. So these are wood wall hangings. Well, they're hangers for your quilts that go on the wall. So you can put a screw or a nail into the wall, and you know, that goes in and then it slides down to hold it, so they actually hold like this on the wall. And then to use them, you unscrew this enough that you can lift this edge up, and you can put the binding of the quilt right in this crack area. And then when you have it in there, you push it down and then tighten it with the knob. And that pinches the quilt into place really easily. These are really pretty. You can, what's nice about these is you can space them out how big or small you would like them. I have a wall of mini quilts, and while I probably wouldn't use that for that right now, I do have a couple of spots in the house where a larger quilt could go. So I would definitely consider using these. These are great. You can never have enough. You can never have enough quilts to hang on your wall, and so you know a quilt wall hanging clamps are very, very helpful.